to a deplorable environment.
Javelins are actually really effective.
Welcome to the channel Military Alusista. This time we will discuss about FGM-148 Javelin, Marine Corps, and U.S. Army flagship weapon. The FGM-148 Javelin is an American portable fire-and-forget anti-tank missile to replace the Dragon anti-tank missile in U.S. service. In April 1991, the first test flight of the Javelin was successful, and in March 1993, the first test firing of the launcher was successful. In 1994, low production rates were approved, and the first Javelin was deployed with United States Army units in 1996. Where is the FGM-148 Javelin made? The Javelin was developed and manufactured for the U.S. Army and Marine Corps by the Javelin joint venture between Lockheed Martin in Orlando, Florida, and Raytheon in Tucson, Arizona. Are Javelin missiles British or American? The U.S.-made Javelin missile recently entered service with the British military, with medium-range anti-tank missiles. The Javelin system offers some improvements over an aging Milan. How many Javelins are made a year? Global demand is high, and for our customers to be assured production is important, especially given Poland's proximity to Ukraine, Hartley said. In May 2022, Lockheed Martin announced that it plans to nearly double Javelin production in the U.S. from 2,100 units per year to 3,960 by 2026. How much does the FGM-148 Javelin cost? The Javelin system is expected to remain in service with the United States military until at least 2050. The oft-cited estimate for the cost of the Javelin is $80,000 per unit. Though according to the Army's PB 2022 budget filing, the Army has purchased 32,142 rounds at an average unit cost of $107,500. Who made the U.S. Javelin missile? Javelin Weapon Systems. Raytheon, the Javelin is an anti-tank guided munition that can be carried and launched by one person. It was created by Javel, who made the FGM-148 Javelin. FGM-148 Javelin designer. Texas Instruments and Ma. How accurate are Javelin missiles? How accurate is Javelin? The United States has claimed that of the first 112 Javelins it used, 100 hit targets, either directly or on trajectories from above, where tank armor was thinner and more susceptible to penetration. Are Javelins reusable? The Javelin comes in two main parts: a missile tube and launch control called the CLU Command Launch Unit. The missile and the tube are one unit. After firing, the now empty missile tube is discarded. To fire again, further missiles tubes must be carried by unit squads. Javelins have two features that together make them unique. First, it is a fire-and-forget guided missile, meaning that the operator locks the missile onto the target before launch, and then the missile guides itself to the target. This is important because the gunner can immediately seek cover, and unlike less sophisticated weapons, the missile will not hit.